welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Mickey monthly box for the month of February, and this month I received the theme park edition Mickey size female customization all ages. And I really in the past have enjoyed the all ages boxes because I am really a kid at heart, and I like that they give you like kiddish things and then grown-up things in the all ages box. I definitely think that's my favorite age preference. So if you don't know already, Mickey Monthly is a monthly subscription box where every single month you get a box like this that's full of hand-picked items for you that comes directly from the Disney World theme park. So let's open it up and see what came inside for February. Loki is very interested in what I'm doing. So, I'm going to remove the crinkle paper. Ooh, there's always Mickey confetti, and I love teal. It's one of my favorite colors. It is the color of our homeschool room, and that is the color of the confetti this month. That's exciting. What is it, Loki? What is this? The Walt Disney Showcase Collection, Disney Traditions. Is it a Jim Shore? Wow, it's designed by Jim Shore. It's a Mickey figurine. I'm gonna open it. I know Jim Shore has like a lot of expensive stuff. My dad has some of his stuff from like the Disney collection. So that's really neat. I've never gotten anything quite so like fancy. It doesn't have a price on it, but it's Jim Shore for UNESCO. Apparently Loki's just gonna lay his head on my lap the whole time. Wrapped in styrofoam. I don't have any scissors. Let me go get some scissors. Maybe something I end up giving my dad for, I don't know, Father's Day, maybe? If I can get it open. I didn't cut the tape very well. Oh, it's cute. Wow, that is really nice. Like, I actually may end up giving this to my dad for Father's Day because he, like I said, he's got a bunch of these Jim Shore figurines. And this one is really cute. Look how cute it is. Can you see? That's really nice. I've gotten some figurines in the past from Mickey Monthly, but I've never gotten a Jim Shore figurine. So I think I know where that is gonna go. I think he'll like that. And that's nice that it comes in a box. Does anybody else do that with any kind of subscription service where you re-gift them? I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Okay, the next thing, it's a pin. Cute. It's Marie. My oldest daughter loved Marie when she was little. She used to watch the Aristocats movie, and then she would go get a hair bow and stick it like right there on her hair so she would have a bow like Marie. That's really cute. And my oldest daughter already has her pin collection going, but my youngest daughter doesn't have one yet, and that might be something to kind of get her started with her collection. So that's really cute. That's a nice size pin too. I know some of those pins can get pretty expensive. I can smell whatever's in here next. It's something chocolate. Yep. It is a Mickey Rice Krispie treat. They've sent these before. They're always a hit in my house. So it's a Rice Krispie treat covered in chocolate and little tiny M&Ms. They usually send a treat of some kind in the Mickey monthly boxes. I don't think there's ever been a month where I haven't gotten some kind of a treat. So that's nice, especially when you're missing Disney and you're missing some of your favorite treats. It's really nice to get those mixed in with your box every month. I just realized too, this is really neat. It's a birthstone figurine. I didn't even notice that. It's for the month of February. The birthstone is amethyst, the flower is violet. Well, that's cute. Well, now I feel bad about wanting to give it to my dad because my oldest daughter's birthday is in February, but I think he will still appreciate this even though it says February on it. That's really cute. So that is everything that came in my Mickey monthly subscription box for the month of February. Being the Mickey size box, it's not one of the bigger boxes. So it kind of helps to keep your costs down, but you still get a nice sampling and selection of different things that come directly from the Disney theme parks. I'm really excited. I'm really excited about, I'm excited about the pen too, but I'm really excited about this because I think my dad will really like it. But I love the Mickey Monthly. It was so funny. We pulled into the driveway when we got home from running errands, and the Mickey Monthly box was on the front porch, and both girls yelled, "Mickey Monthly!" Like, it's just something fun that you come to expect every single month. Even though you don't know what's going to be in your box, you still know that your box is coming, and it's going to be filled with Disney magic. And so I really enjoy every single month getting this box and being excited to see what's in it and share it with the girls and share it with you guys. So if you're interested in your own Mickey monthly subscription service, I actually have a coupon code in the description box for you guys. If you use that code, you'll get 15% off your first month's box, whichever size box you choose. And like I said, you can customize how much you want to spend, how many items you want to come in your box. So based on your price, depends on how many items are in the box, your gender customization, your age customization, and all that. So You can definitely customize it to your budget and your tastes, but still be surprised every month about what actually comes in your box, if that makes sense. So I'll have the Mickey Monthly website linked for you guys below, as well as that coupon code. If you're interested in signing up, you will get 15% off your first box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the link for my Disney playlist in the description box. You'll find every single Disney video that I have ever made. In case you're planning a trip or you want to see previous Mickey Monthly unboxings, all of that is in my Disney playlist, so I will link that for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.